Hello guys, this is Manuel. So in this video I will show you something so good. But before that, you need to install some things, some manager that will help you to install things that I need. So first try to install that on your terminal, on your machine. You can come here and install installation install, and this is the the way that you can install that. After install that, come right away on your terminal, and you need to install other things by using Braille. So I don't know how to pronounce this stuff, but you just type here Braille install. So this manager just to help you to install things on your machine. That now I will just install cmatrix using this manager. So symmetry is already installed on my machine. Yeah, it is already installed. So I need just to make that symmetry and have a look at this. The tutorial got. So goodbye. This is all I would like to show you, and don't forget to share this video and also comment on and like. So this is a manual active. So goodbye. So